Hey, real estate rock stars. This is Kelly, your real estate ninja in Florida, and I want to break down probably the most laser focused, laser targeted marketing strategies I'm currently using, and I want to share them with you. Now, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button and the bell and gain access to all the videos that I put out. Guys, I've got videos. You can watch hundreds of hours of free lead gen stuff, buyers, sellers, geofarming, how to send out the right letter to, guys, tons of stuff there. It's all free. When I do pitch something that might have an affiliate, I go ahead and tell you. Now, banner season, we're going to talk about today, and hang with me. This is going to change your lead generation life. Banner season, there's an affiliate package they offer. I don't just use them for affiliate, though. I use them for marketing. So I want you to pay special attention. Here's the pitch so we can get this out of the way. Banner season is a platform that you can explode your real estate business. They have waived the $300 fee to sign up right now. I don't know how long that's going to be, but they've waived it. It's $49 a month. You don't pay for the 12 months in advance. You don't pay. It's $49 a month. Once you get into it, if you decide you're not going to use it or it's just not for you, you kick out. But once I show you what you can do with this thing, you'd be crazy to do that. Yes, I said that. Crazy. Because this thing is a marketing Jedi Master's dream. So let's get into it. We're going to talk about two things today. I'm going to use banner season, and I'm going to also use the local MLS to show you how you can dominate listings and buyers from the lead gen perspective, and then how to send the right message to the market. So let's get started. Let me start with local MLS. Now, if you're an agent that does not have this first part of the video will be educational so that when your MLS does get it, and a lot of MLSs are now adding Remind to their platform as part of your subscription. If you don't have it, please hear me on this. You're going to probably be getting it soon. A lot of you agents do have this, and you can utilize it. If you're not using it, shame on you. This thing is crazy. So let me jump into it. I clicked Remind, and it brought me here. So I've already went ahead and did this before we did the video because I'm not going to train you on how to use Remind. There's tons of videos for that. But what I did is I picked in a geographical area. My house is somewhere around here. Okay, so in a small area between Highway 50, Highway 27, and the Florida Turnpike in Central Florida, I picked a list, and I believe on this list there were 161 homes that Remind said are your best candidates. So what I asked for is in this area, I want every homeowner that has a high probability using Remind's big data of selling their home in the next 1 to 12 months. Now, let me stop right there. Why did I do that? I can run a Facebook ad in that same area, and it's going to go to everybody. People that are renting, people that are in their 20s, people that are in their 70s, people that have really crappy credit, people that have great credit, people that have great credit but no money, people that have crappy credit but a lot of... Guys, I use Facebook a lot, and I've got other videos on that. You need to be using that. But I'm talking about honing in on the best of the best. Wouldn't you want to reach out to just people that are... have the highest probability of listing with an agent in the next 1 to 12 months? Wouldn't you want to start sending them information and dominating that area as the go-to realtor? Well, this is going to do it. So what I did is I actually downloaded, once I had all of this list, I used Remind to basically save in my cart this list, and then I shot that list, uploaded it to banner season right here. So when I go to the banner season address book, this is a list of my contacts. Right now, in my mailing list, this is from high sell. So Remind, I called that list the high sell, high probability of selling, and this is what it looks like. Here it is right here, guys. This is it. Now, there are 101 of these guys on this list, okay? And what I can do with the push of a button is I can go back to banner season. I can go into postcards. Watch this. I can go down here to the 4x6, or I can create a 5x7, or I can do other things. But let's say I want to send a 4x6 postcard, and I wanted to send that postcard out as a gold member. Remember, with gold member, there's no sign-up fee, and you are going to get the best prices on their closing gifts that are personally branded to you and all of their marketing stuff. But I can send out that card to all 100 and whatever that list was, 101, 105 for 37 cents. I can put I can create whatever I want for the image on the front, and on the back I can drop an offer. I can put whatever I want. $37 to send that postcard out with a push of one button. Do y'all hear that? I went into Remind and I found the most highly targeted list of homes near me. Now, I could branch this out to my county and probably have 900 of these. Then it would cost me $300 or $400 to send them all a postcard. Oh, cheap! But I'm going to concentrate on those that live near me. I want to be the dominating factor in that area. So for 37 cents, I can send out a postcard. And I can send out another postcard in 3 weeks for 37 cents each. And I can continue to do it. So let's say I decide to budget $500 in total to that list. I could probably send out 13.2 postcards in total. Now, do I need to send that many? No. Typically, it's 1 to 9 touches, and you're going to start seeing some conversion. So, guys, if I have 110 people there, per se, sellers, and I'm going to use this software to send them a postcard, think you can do the math. One closing would pay for this entire thing times 10. I don't want one closing. I should have 5 to 10 closings on this list if I go ahead and market them correctly. Y'all see the power of that? Now, guys, you can do that in your MLS right now. If you have Remind, go to your Remind, go ahead and filter out everybody in, and all I did is I used their tool to draw an area, and I said everybody that has a very high, they've got 3 levels, low probability, medium, and high. I just wanted high. If I did medium and high, it would probably have been 400. But I wanted everybody that Remind, using their big data, determines have a high probability of selling. And boom, I have that list. I own that list now. It's in my banner season. And for 37 cents, now if I really wanted to get crazy, all right, I could go to banner season if I wanted to up my marketing game, and I could pick 10 or 15 of those that I think are the best of the best and send them a $5.99 coffee cup with my branding on the back and a picture of their house on the front. And with that, send them a little postcard in the mail with that. Oh my God. What other realtor's doing that? So you see how powerful that is? That's why I'm so passionate. Y'all that are seeing me on my different social media channels, that's why I've been pushing this stuff. This is for real. If you're not doing this, you are so stuck into last year that, well, I was going to make a joke, but I'm not. This is serious. This is for real. Now, let me stop right there. That's just for listings. So another way that you can do this is you can go into banner season. You can hit the address book. I've already done this. You can build a mailing list. So I went in and built, let me just do it real quick. I'm going to do this and show you how I did this in seconds. So I'm going to build this mailing list. I'm going to look for everybody that's an individual. Hang with me because I'm going quick on this, guys. I've got other videos on this. I'm going to go with everybody in my zip code, 34711. And there it is right there. I'm going to look for everybody that is just a renter only. And I'm looking for people that have been renting for 2+ years. Okay, on age, I'm going to go ahead and just do, let's say 28, 29, 30, 31. This is probably the longest period. This is the longest part of this whole thing is this right here. I hate it. So I'm going to build a list of all these people right here. These are renters. I'm going to stop at age 50 just because I don't feel like going any farther. Now I'm going to go ahead and get everybody that has a credit rating of, let's say 700, that has a net worth of at least 25K. Now let's see what happens to the updating. Right now, Remind's internal software, based on the parameters I just gave it for renters, are going to return to me how many people in my zip code. And you know what? Let me drop this to 650 because 650 I can definitely work with. Everybody in my zip code that qualifies as a buyer I should be going after. I'm not talking about people with 520. So there's 153 right there. I can download. And how much would it cost me to buy that 153? Let's just see. If I wanted to buy that list, it's $15. I download. Once I buy it, they send me an email with a download. I've got it. Now I own that list of the most highly targeted buyers. Now, why do I want to do this? I also do Facebook buyer lead generation. But with Facebook, you're going to drop a pin. You're going to go 15 miles. It's going to send that ad, not to just buyers, but home sellers, people that are 10, 11. If anybody has a Facebook account, it could be 16-year-olds, 17-year-olds. It could be 90-year-olds, people that aren't going to be buying a home. It's going to be people with really crappy credit, medium credit, great credit. People have no, it's going to everybody, right? Even a dog if it has a Facebook account. So I'm going to, because I'm very good at marketing, I'm going to attract some of those people. However, that 153, that is my list. If I went countywide, that would be about 700. Right now, for 153 people, if I wanted to send them a postcard, it's going to cost me $44 to send a post. And if I've got a great offer, y'all see the passion here? If I have a great offer and I want to budget, say, $200, I can send out 4 to 5 postcards with a different offer. Don't you think somebody that's renting that gets my postcard and sees my face in that offer, at some point, I'm going to get responses, especially if my offers are good? This video is not about your offers. This video, though, is about utilizing one of the best tools on the planet you can use right now. So again, on my address book right now, with Remind, I've got 101 people that I have ascertained are the best prospects for listing. I've got 126 buyers that I purchased through the mailing list at Remind. Those 2 right there are where I need to be spending my dollars on direct mail and postcards and sending gifts that are highly targeted. I haven't even gotten to FSBOs. I haven't even gotten into expireds yet. But that right there, whoo, that is your list. Now, if I wanted to create a list of expireds, I can go back into Remind. I'm not going to do it. I can go ahead and pull all the expireds. If I wanted to, drop that list into here. Oh, my God. Can y'all see how powerful this is, guys? Utilizing your MLS and banner season. I'm not going to promise you anything because I don't know where you're at with your marketing, but here's what I know, and I'm going to be ending the video. If you don't jump on board and jump on this thing right now, you are going to be behind the game by the time summer's over. I'm talking about jumping in here and getting the right leads from your MLS and from Remind, and then sending them powerful laser-targeted direct mail, well, not direct mail, but postcards and closing type gifts. Gifts that you can personally brand. Golf clubs, golf balls, food, water bottles, coffee cups, coasters. You literally can upload on the back of the coaster your picture, your branding, your phone, and on the front a picture of their house or their kids or their, I don't care. Banner season will do it all for you. So guys, make sure you add this to your arsenal. Banner season, for a limited time, when it's over, has waived the $300 fee. Banner season has a $49 gold package, which is what you need. And if you have that $49 gold package, you're going to be able to utilize this mailing list that I just told you about. You're going to be able to utilize it. And you're going to be able to get the products to use, the postcards, the coffee, at a very substantial discount. Guys, one closing pays for this thing for the year. I'm talking about your lead generation and your postcards. One closing. Think of what you can do. All right, my name's Kelly, the real estate rock star ninja here in Florida. Drop me some comments below if you want to have a conversation with me. If you're in a broker right now and you're just not happy where you're at, if you want to have a non-pressure, non-recruiting phone call with me, hit my schedule phone call with Kelly link below. I promise you this, I'm not going to try to recruit you into my brokerage, which is EXP, but I'm going to give you the reasons why I moved my business. How about that for fairness and honesty? I appreciate every one of you. Make sure you look at the link below for your gold account and get it today. Guys, this is a game changer. And I think that's it for this video. Keep watching, and I'll have some new content coming out shortly.